Hi guys. So we're about to go eat dinner in downtown Spartanburg at the new AC Hotel, which has a really cool restaurant in it that we've never eaten at before, because the couple of times we wanted to go, it's been like Valentine's Day or something like that, and there was like a billion other people that were going there that night. So we're actually gonna go tonight because it's terribly rainy outside and probably no one is going to be there. So we're really excited to try it. We have gone there and had like appetizers at like their like bar downstairs and have eaten there, but we haven't actually eaten at level 10 upstairs. So let's go check it out together.
No, I'm good. Good. I have 3 glasses. No, because I know who the third will be.
I think we're gonna, we're gonna eat right here.
We're gonna get a menu.
So we're gonna get the Southern fried chicken. That's gonna be what I'm eating. And Christopher, you're gonna go with the Korean skirt steak, or are you gonna go with the beef short rib? Korean one? Alright. Yay, I actually remembered to film what the food looks like before I eat off of it this time. Ooh, this looks good. Some little fritters we got, and there goes one of them. And then Christopher's. Ooh, yeah. How's the first fritter?
You of all people are gonna love that.
Can't wait. I think we liked it. It's all gone. Literally looks like a brand new plate. Good Lord.
The unfortunate part about the dish was that I only had like 3 or 4 bites, because Lauren literally ate all of them. I hadn't even got a fry yet. Look.
Get out there. No, seriously, these fries are like so good. Yeah.
Wow, they really are good. You were right.
Shut up. You're so bad. Now I'm gonna eat a fry. Oh, that wasn't the guy that I thought he was.
That one's the most cheesy guy.
Perfect guy for me. He's a little crooked and got lots of parmesan. Why did you start laughing? I didn't mean it like that.
I know, but it was, I couldn't help it.
He's a little crooked, like, you know, he's just a little bit
Yes, I get it.
weird,
It's
you know,
fine.
He's indifferent.
Yeah,
How
he's a
close up
special
are you
fry.
with me on this camera? You're
Not
like,
that close up. Not that close up.
the ones with more parmesan are like so good. That was delicious. And I will eat another one for you, and you, and you. Love how cool this bar is. We had to eat at the bar because we didn't have a reservation. Look at these mountains. Look at this. Look at the view of the mountains over there. It's barely in the distance. You can barely see it. That's where we own our land, all the way out there. So cool. This restaurant's awesome. It's always whichever one's inconvenient to me. Alright, we just ate. We are stuffed, literally to the max. Are you stuffed?
Yeah, and it was a little plate. That's the crazy thing.
I know.
That just goes to show you people, portion control is a real thing.
Walking around with my new love bag. Seriously, like, I'm so stuffed. Oh no, I feel rain. I don't want to have to do my piece over.
Nah, it's in your head.
No, I feel it. There was like 50 drops on my face already. Okay, let's cross the street without dying. Here we go. Woohoo! That guy is totally speeding. You're out of control, dude. Out of control. So we had to park pretty far because you're not allowed to, just in case you're going to the AC Hotel, you're not allowed to actually park at the AC Hotel.
Even though, get this,
feels like a billion spots.
We're gonna walk to our car, and then when we walk to our car, it's probably halfway
to our house. And then by the time we find a parking spot near our house, then might as well have just walked the whole time. My arm is so tired from holding this. What the heckers? Yeah, you take over that with strong arms. Yeah. Show them my fly boots. Old Gringo, my friends. Look at this. They're like seriously awesome. I saved up for like 2 years for these boots because I love them so much. I feel like if you see something and then you like love it so much for like 2 years and you're still thinking about it, you should just go ahead and buy that. Unless it's like a Ferrari, something like that, you know what I'm saying?
But buy that too.
I mean, I couldn't buy
If you got
Ferrari.
it, buy it.
Yeah, if you got it, but don't buy it if you don't got it.
Don't buy it if you barely got it.
Yeah.
If you barely got it.
If you barely got it. I mean, I just couldn't justify when I first saw these boots paying for them. But after I mean, I've totally gotten my wear out of them. I wear them all the time. I love them. And they're so comfy. So comfy. Hey, buddy.
The little boy said
the cutest thing in the whole
that
world.
she was really nice. And I said, I beg to differ, little fella. I beg to differ.
Okay, finally back in the car. Oh my Lord. Let me buckle up for safety. Good gosh. Christopher, stop. You're making me go all over the place.
Well, the reason why is and by accidentally,
You mean intentionally?
disregarding on purpose, okay? Donutted myself away and I went on the way out the right way.
He also has the windshield wipers on when it's not actually raining. And something to know about Christopher is, okay, so, and this is like, so I'm sorry, I'm gonna give you a hard time about it because I've literally given you such a hard time about it our whole entire life. How'd you know?
I hate you. Show me.
Okay, so Christopher, like, okay, you know how like if you go around like a curve, ain't nobody putting their blinker on because, nope. Ain't nobody putting one on for a curve. Nobody, because guess what? There's nowhere else for you to go. You gotta follow the curve or you gonna run off the road. No, Christopher put his blinker on for a curve. But if he's actually turning, he doesn't use the blinker.
No, I do if I'm turning. I don't all the time when I'm changing lanes. Why? Sometimes it's not necessary. There ain't nobody there.
Oh my God, I'm such a rule follower. I can't take it with him. Is there a spot?
No, there's not.
Oh my God. Literally, don't ever live in a downtown area because you have to use a parking garage to park. It's literally ridiculous. I love how these girls were just like taking as long as they possibly could to cross the street as well. That was really awesome. I'm not gonna put them on film so that you guys could make fun of them if you know them. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that person. Here's Spill the Beans. Hi guys.
Every
Look,
time we pass by
wouldn't you
there.
know, 2-hour parking. How many tickets do you think that I actually get? Anyone that says the exact number wins a free hairpiece. Because you guys can't count that high. How many seriously you think that I have?
You are correct. 5 just this week, and it's only Thursday.
And at least 4 of them were stuck to the window after it had rained. That was fun.
Just get my butt on camera.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
But I should have.
nope.
We have to give each other a hard time. We've been together too long not to do that with each other. Lock the door.
I just peeled off one of her mini tickets on her car. And they still follow me around because it's on my shoe.
Oh yeah, there's the ticket. Yes, sir. And how much was that one? Now I got your butt. Y'all, I swear, he makes me laugh so hard every day. I literally can't with him. Okay, so, no, they're in your pocket, sir. Look at that butt. Yeah, I'm zooming in on it, Christopher. Yeah, got it. Got it. Twerk it for us.
You got the freaking stop.
Come on, give us the twerking.
Stop it.
Give us the twerking.
No.
Don't get a front angle. Oh, yeah.
Get the keys out. What's up?
Oh my God.
Lost the handles. Dribbling upstairs is hard.